It's actually snowing. Yay! And it's sticking. It's so pretty. It's really cold too. Snowing in February. It's about time. Oh, and there's Celine. Her first snow. Oh my goodness. She's excited. Oh my goodness. Celine, what do you say? Oh. Oh, she loves this. Wow. What are you doing? Oh, she's rubbing her nose in it. She loves it. That's what I need to get out there and do. She loved it. That was great. So pretty.